Right now, Donald Trump and the Republicans are working to push Amy Coney Barrett onto the Supreme Court as fast as possible, preferably before the election, because of the election and Trump's repeated stated desire to have as many Republican judges on the court as possible in case something needs to be done. And the important thing that you need to know is that she did not commit to recusing herself from cases related to the outcome of the 2020 presidential election. According to her written responses to the Senate Judiciary Committee questionnaire of all of the possible recusing that she might do. There were things that she said she would recuse herself from, to be fair. Any case involving her husband or her sister, both of whom are attorneys. She would also recuse herself from cases that involve Notre Dame University as a party. She was a law professor there since 2002. She also said that she would recuse herself from any matters having to do with her current role as a judge on the US Court of Appeals for the 7th Circuit. But on election related matters, she is saying, no, if Trump puts me on the court and then something happens where I have to decide the state of the election or whose vote is gonna count and all of that, I am not committing myself to recusing from that. I'm not surprised by this because I don't think that she would be the nominee if she wasn't willing to protect Donald Trump, Jason. But I think everyone who wants a smooth democratic transfer of power should be very worried about this move.
I 100%, and the fact that she triggers me. I'm so triggered by her. She reminds me of my 3rd grade teacher that was just a nightmare. She is a brilliant attorney. Christian, has this very evangelical, and to your point, I agree. Trump is giving her an alley-oop, a leg up, saying, "Hey, listen, I'm gonna go hard for you to get the highest court in the land. Your whole legacy in your life. This is what you work for. You are going to be the Beyonce of the Supreme Court justice, but I need loyalty." It's much like Roger Ailes, and he watched that movie. I brought a bombshell earlier when we were talking about Megyn Kelly about how he demanded loyalty from people he helped and put in very powerful and very advantageous and lucrative and successful positions. This is that to me. I'm not, of course, this is all speculative and alleged in my own mind, but yeah, Donald Trump's nominating her and giving her the job of a lifetime, and that does come with strings. That absolutely comes with strings attached. So what? Yeah, she'll recuse herself from family matters, from Notre Dame. That stuff won't have the amount of long-lasting. For her to talk about those things, if she didn't, those things will not have the long-lasting results as if she went on and said something bad about Donald Trump or didn't recuse herself. It's like that'll impact her a lot longer than anything she would say about her family or Notre Dame, right? Yeah. So of course she's not going to do that. And this is all unspoken, but just listening to the way she's talked about the law and who she is and what she stands for in her foundation, she's a scary individual. That and she has 7 kids. She's probably tired and not thinking straight. So I'm not surprised by this. Nothing that we have talked about today on the damage report has been surprising in any shape, way, or form or capacity, John. And this is just adding that to the list. Yeah, she's not.
I gotta come up with something then. I bring you on to blow your mind, and apparently I've lost my touch. I just can't do it anymore.
No. The fantasy novel, that was the scoop of the year. That was fresh off the press, breaking news. Headline: John Iadarola, fantasy novelist, Stephen King. Here we come.
Check out the Damage Report podcast each day, wherever you get your podcasts, whether Pocket Casts or Stitcher or iTunes. You can join me as I give you the news and stories you want, with a range of co-hosts and interview guests jumping in on the fun each day. Again, that's the Damage Report, wherever you get your podcasts. And if you get them at iTunes, don't forget to rate and review. Sometimes I'll read them live on the show.